this is an overkill. Sanju Verma.
Padmaja, Tehseen has spoken for 10 minutes. I need less than half the time to put forth my argument. First and foremost, I don't think Tehseen or Sanju Verma or even Padmaja Joshi, anyone for that matter, has the prerogative or the right to run foul of the courts and tell the courts how they need to function. Point number one. Point number two, for Tehseen to conflate the Sharab Ghotala, the liquor scam in Delhi with, personal or civil liberties being infringed upon, I think that is carrying things a bit too far. Let's not conflate and confuse issues. As Tehseen rightly said, on one point I agree with him. He read out a couple of rules. The Transaction of Business Rules 1993, Delhi Excise Act 2009, Delhi Excise Rules 2010, GNCTD Act of 1991. Yes, all these acts and rules were violated by Manish Sisodia to obtain pecuniary commercial advantage. Please read the entire CBI charge sheet. I have done that. I'll give the third most important point. In any case, in any part of the world, be it a democracy, a monarchy, a dictatorship, what have you, it is the word of the witnesses which is paramount. And on 14th November at 10:30 a.m. and then on 16th November exactly at 10:30 a.m. copious statements were made by Dinesh Arora, who turned approver. He has been a close associate of Manish Sisodia, and mind you, the CBI, before making him an approver, actually under section 306 of the CRPC, first obtained permission from the Delhi High Court.
Okay.
Every single procedure was complied with. Please, Padmaja, you gave him a free run.
No. So I want to come down to the politics of it. See, we have been through the process. We have argued this ad nauseum, and now ultimately it is going to be up to the courts and the CBI to prove its case in court. My point is...
Can I please finish?
Yeah, no, just a second. I do not want to get into the minutiae of the investigation so far because we have debated it ad nauseum. I am talking about the politics. Let me please open this up.
So let me just make my last point.
Okay, make your last point. Make your last point. Go on.
Thank you. So, let us agree to disagree. But Tehseen has to understand that the CBI followed every rule in the rule book. And Dinesh Arora has turned an approver. Are you saying that the approver's words count for nothing? And the most important thing, I have been attending debates since yesterday, and the only thing that Aam Aadmi Party spokespeople say on their, leaders' behalf and in their defense is, oh, PM Modi, Narendra Modi, humse dar gaye. क्यों डरेंगे आपसे? You were saying we will form the government in Gujarat. You were reduced to 12.8% vote share and just a measly 5 seats. You said we will win Gujarat. You were reduced to a measly 2 seats with a 6.3% vote share. तो नरेंद्र मोदी आपसे डर गए. हम तो 16 राज्यों में सत्ता में हैं.
जवाब दीजिए कि जब गुजरात इलेक्शन के पहले रेड्स हो रही थी तब ये कहा गया था कि गुजरात इलेक्शन में बीजेपी आम आदमी पार्टी से डरी हुई है, इसीलिए रेड्स करा रही है. Why are there arrests now? अब तो कोई इलेक्शन नहीं है.